Hello koi keepers. Feeding time, which is appropriate to this short video. Excuse the vest. On holiday this week, so absolutely chilling out. So I've got my slippers on, got my glag rags on. Going to be doing some jobs, as you do. And I just thought I'm one for sharing. I don't really care about whether it's good or bad. It's an experience, and what I'm going to share with you is, at the moment, I feed Nijikawa. I've had growth, and I've had the Four Seasons health diet. Now, I feed this 5ml pellet all winter, and I'm saving this because I've got about a quarter of a bag left to take me through winter on my outdoor pond. Now, this is only available in the US. Now, this feed I don't think can be matched, and the reasons for that is the waste that it produces. I've tried a few feeds before, and this one, just the waste that's left by the fish once they've consumed it is just hardly anything. It's great. And they happily munch on it all day, you know, if it were there. But I thought, I've got an indoor grow at the greenhouse at the bottom, and I thought I'm going to, because I've run out of Nijikawa, and I would normally have growth down there. I've run out, so I should import some really. But I went on eBay to look at Probites and Aquasource Four Seasons, I think it is, or something like that. And it's pretty expensive stuff. And then I came across this feed that I'm going to show you now, and it's not even £20 for 20 kilograms delivered. It's just come, so I'm going to unwrap it with you and have a look at it, and I'm going to try it in my grow at the bottom of the greenhouse to see what it's like and feed it. There's 6 tosi down there growing well, and I've got another one coming tomorrow, which I will put in there, quarantine it, then put it in with them. And I'm going to feed it on this and just see what happens, because for I think it's £17.95 delivered, the 20 kilogram of food is amazing value, and it's got spirulina in, and just its values look pretty decent for the cost of food, for the price. And the reviews were great. There was koi keepers that have been using it for years and saying they've koi thriving. So let's get into this. So I'm just going to bend down and open the box first, because I've not done it yet. It's just come. And so let's have a look what. Ooh. Well, nice colour. Oh, there it is. Oh, 10 kilos, sorry. 10 kilos, not 20. That is quite a decent sack for £17.95 delivered, and the colour is like a greeny colour. I don't know what that is in there, whether it's an additive or whether it's the spirulina that does that. I'm not endorsing this at all because I've never used it, but it's from Hopewell's Pet and Animals Feeds. Okay, so I've not been given this, I've purchased it as a normal customer. So I just thought I'd share, because like I say, I share my journey and what I do a lot. Well, it's a 6ml pellet. It's a 6ml pellet, it's 30% protein, crude oils and fats 4.1, crude fibres 4.2, crude ash 8.3. Now these recommend to use a wheat germ below 10 degrees C, but I don't bother with that. I just feed a feed all year round. Especially with Nijikawa, because the ingredients have got a low melting point, the fats that they use, so it's still good down to 5-6 degrees C. This one, the composition, it says cereals, derivatives of vegetable origin, meat and animal derivatives, fish and fish derivatives, oils, fats, algae, which is the spirulina, additives of vitamin A, vitamin D3, E, and vitamin C. Trace elements are ferrous sulfate, zinc oxide, manganese, cupric sulfate, penhydroxide, calcium, sodium selenite, and antioxidant and permitted colorants. So that is going to go on in my feeder down there in my indoor grow, and the pond is going to be kept on Nijikawa all seasons. Now, as a comparison, the Nijikawa koi has got a real big list on there. The protein is 35%, this is 30%. Crude fat is 8%. This is 4%. Phosphorus minimum 1.1. Ash 10%. Ash is 8.1%. Sodium in Nijikawa is 0.5, and crude fibre maximum of 2. Crude fibres in this is 4.2. So with crude fibre in 2% in there, this is double. So I'm anticipating that this will create more waste. And there's lots of other things in Nijikawa: vitamin A, vitamin D3, folic acid. So there's a lot of the stuff in this that are in this. This is 5mm. This is 6mm. So very similar in size, and it looks very similar. Okay. But as with feeds, it's the actual ingredients used that makes the big difference. Okay, oh, that sun's on my back, absolutely beautiful. Oh. Well, that is looking promising. So, for the winter, outdoors is going to be getting Nijikawa. Grow is going to be getting this new feed I'm trying. I will report back, and I will let you know how I get on. Happy koi keeping. Goodbye.